The Supreme Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein will today hear arguments by AfriForum in an attempt to legalize the display of the 1928 apartheid flag. AfriForum is appealing against the Equality Court order that ruled that gratuitous display of the old national flag constitutes hate speech, unfair discrimination and harassment. The order favored the application by the Nelson Mandela Foundation that the display of the flag constitutes, amongst other things, hate speech under the Promotion of Equality and Prevention of Unfair Discrimination Act. The foundation argued that the flag is an unambiguous symbol of white supremacy. For more on this story, let's cross live now to SABC News reporter Makhala Masiteng. A very good morning to you, Makhala. What can we expect from the court process this morning?
Good morning, Desiree. What we're expecting is that we'll see the AfriForum taking the podium first, as they are the appellants on this case, where they will be arguing their case, where they are, as you have highlighted earlier in your introduction, they are appealing against the Equality Court order that favored the Nelson Mandela Foundation that had brought the application after there was a display of the old flag during the protest in 2017. There was a series of protests where it was against the farm killings, and at some point there were some protesters who displayed the flag. So that's what happened then, and then the Nelson Mandela Foundation took the matter to the Equality Court, saying that it should not be allowed that the flag can be displayed in that way. They were saying that it can be displayed, of course, for historic and artistic or journalistic purposes. So we will see the AfriForum arguing their case, where they even saying that the Equality Court does not have that power to grant that order. And they are also saying that the public display of the flag is actually protected by the freedom of expression. So we will see them taking the podium, and then the respondents in this case will be, of course, the Nelson Mandela Foundation, supported by the Human Rights Commission, as well as the Department of Justice, or rather the Minister of Justice in this case, where the Nelson Mandela Foundation is still saying that the Equality Court has the power to give that order that it gave, that favored the Nelson Mandela Foundation, that the display of the old flag can only be used for artistic or journalistic purposes. It cannot be displayed just anyhow, because they are saying that it constitutes hate speech. So those are some of the issues that we'll see them being argued before the 5 justices at the Supreme Court of Appeal. As you can see behind me, some have arrived already, preparing themselves for the case ahead. They will be starting around 9:45, where we will see them arguing their case, Desiree.
So any moment now, really, Makhala, hope to catch the proceedings live. Makhala Masiteng there for us at the Supreme Court of Appeal.